Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can turn off email notifications for your Slack workspace really quickly. For example, if you've grown tired of them and find them annoying, and now you would like to disable them permanently. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. It is actually super simple. So head over to your Slack workspace. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. And from here, select Preferences. That is going to open up that Preferences menu here. So from here, head over to Notifications in the top left corner and scroll down a bit till you get to the email notifications where it says Set Email Notifications. So click on it. That is going to redirect you to your workspace's push, email, and desktop notification preferences. From here, simply scroll down till you get to email notifications here, and decide whether you'd like to enable or keep these email notifications turned on for 15 minutes within an hour, or to disable them entirely by selecting Never Here. Just in case, guys, in this situation you would miss messages or might miss messages and mentions when you're away from Slack, so bear that in mind, guys. So this is how you can turn off or disable email notifications entirely here on Slack. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.